Hi, I'm Fumiko Takatsu, a founder and a creator of the Face Yoga Method. Do you like wearing makeup? If so, that's great. But if the answer is no, but still want to look younger, this video is for you. Forget the makeup and try these face yoga poses instead to look younger. It will only take you 5 minutes or less to do these quick and easy exercises to tone your face and look your best. Do this face exercise to get an instant lift and look younger instantly. I hear this from so many people over and over again. I want to try face yoga exercises, but I'm too busy, I don't have time, and I can't do this because blah, blah, blah. Well, you really only need a few minutes of your time. You got few minutes, right? You don't have to sit in front of the mirror and do all the poses. And you can do them anywhere and anytime. And using these simple poses every day will tone and lift your face. Let me show you one of the most powerful, a signature face yoga poses and do it together. Are you ready? Before we do this pose together, please subscribe to this channel. This is just one of many poses I'll teach you to reduce wrinkles and get a macho facelift. Click the subscription button and become a face yogi with me. Let me show you a picture and see what happens when you do this pose. There's so many muscles on your face. In fact, there are over 60 muscles on your face. Can you believe that? Those muscles are small, flat, and very delicate. And different from the body, they need to show expressions and emotions. You don't see bicep smiling or laughing or stressed out. No, right? But facial muscles are there to really show subtle facial expressions. And that's why we need to work on them. Here's a picture, before, after. The before picture, see the blue part is the coolest part. And then yellow and orange and the red is the hottest. So doing one pose, which I'm going to show you now, only 30 seconds. It's not 3 minutes, only 30 seconds. Doing this pose will increase blood circulation massively. What does it mean? That means more nutrient and more oxygen to the face. And when you touch your face, let's touch your face first and then feel your facial muscles. Do you feel any part of your face feels a little cooler than other part? Usually the cheek area and then the forehead and even chin. And look at this after. All red, almost all of the part red. It's almost like doing or getting a massage without touching your face. So this is a really great pose to do anywhere and anytime, but especially beneficial when you apply moisturizer on your face, do this pose. And there is one thing I need to warn you. Once you start practicing this pose, most likely you will do this pose even when you're not aware of, like walking the dog or talking to your friend or talking on the phone or eating at the restaurant, or maybe your children start doing this. Yeah, so that's one thing. Okay, just be careful. So, are you ready to do this pose together? It's called the Big O. Yes. First thing is you have to have a good posture. So align your posture, look yourself in the mirror first until you're so comfortable and confident enough that you're doing the pose correctly. And relax your neck, relax your shoulders, open your chest, open your arm, and breathe in and out through your nose. Open your mouth slightly as if you are like yawning and drop your jaw. And then make an O shape with your mouth. And then slightly curl your lip against your teeth. And then relax your shoulders, relax your neck, and keep breathing and hold this for 10 seconds. That's it. You can do it. Ready? come out. Repeat 2 more sets. Ready? Drop your jaw as if you're yearning. Open your chest, open your heart. Relax your forehead, and if you tend to wrinkle your forehead, put a palm or palms on your forehead, and then do the pose. The big O. Why not? Let's do one more set. Drop your jaw. This feels good. And 10 seconds. That's it. How do you feel? If I take a thermal imaging photo of your face right now, your face will look like this. So red. And I feel your face right now. Not bad, right? Looking for a way to reduce wrinkles, tone up your skin, and have a more youthful appearance. Wrinkles are caused by a number of factors, including sun exposure, smoking, and stress. But they can also be the result of bad habits like frowning or squinting. And that's why we put together this free booklet with 5 simple face yoga poses that will help to tone up your entire face, neck, and undo the damage from those bad habits. With just minutes per day, you can see results in as little as 2 weeks. And these face yoga poses are easy to follow and don't require any special equipment. All you have to have is your face, which you have. So why wait? Download your free copy of a booklet today by clicking the link below. By exercising your muscles, you can lift your face naturally. I want to show you a very simple 60-second skincare routine. It literally lifts up your mood. The jawline is one of the easiest places on the face to get results.